Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kileni, para los que no me conocen, and thank you guys so much for tuning in on today's video. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Y si quiere que le digan cuando yo subo video y cosas así, denle a la campanita aquí abajo. Just hit that little bell so you're notified whenever I upload a video. By the title of this video, ya saben that I'm going to be pretty much just unboxing and showing you guys what I got on this year's Generation Beauty in LA in the goodie bag. I'm pretty excited to show you guys a couple of these products. Honestly, I have seen, you know, other unboxes from previous years, and the bag seems pretty lit, like a lot of good products. This year, I don't see that the bag had that many, but from what I heard, apparently the people that they had working for them were stealing the products, and I don't know, that's what I heard through the grapevine, that they anyways, but yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I got in the bag, what I actually got from companies that, you know, gift to me, and yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, show you what I got. So this was pretty much the goodie bag that I was walking around with. This is the one that they give you, you know, with the Ipsy Gen Beauty logo, but I was walking around with this one because it was more comfortable. But yeah, let's see, where do I start? This is like my favorite. This is from Fat Boy. I already used it because it's like a styling cream, but it's really, really good. I don't know if it's gonna focus for you guys to see. Oh, there you go. So this is like a styling cream. It's really good. I actually used it. I used all of them. I mixed and matched. I got this from Naturals. Is that what it's called? Really good too. And then I got this from Shea Moisture. I love Shea Moisture, so I knew that I was gonna like this. So I pretty much just mixed them all three last time I did my hair, and I liked it. Next, we have some brushes from Luxie. This one I think came in the bag, and then this one they gave it to me when I was like in the line to talk to the PR people. Yeah, this is a, what is this? This is a pointed top kabuki brush, and this is a fan brush. And actually these two are going on a giveaway because I will not be keeping them because I don't see myself using this. And then this, I have like a couple fan brushes that I don't need them. So giveaway people, make sure you subscribe like I said, and follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. And if you still use Snapchat, why not just add me there too. Next, I got this little Too Faced samples. This is the Hangover Primer, and then this is the Hangover 3-in-1 Primer. So what's the difference? Oh, this is like a setting spray, and then this is like the actual primer. Cute. I also got this Physicians Formula eyeshadow palette, and this Bella Pierre lipstick in the shade Sassy. I'm not keeping these things either, so they will go on a giveaway. I don't know if I should just tell you like everything that's going to be on a giveaway, but a lot of these things are already like, they were separated to go on a giveaway, but I still just wanted to show you guys what I got in this goodie bag. I also got the Katy Perry CoverGirl lipstick. It's really cute. It comes with like a, you know, like a kitty cat on top, which is cute. There's also an eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner from Essence. I think that's how you say it. There is a mini Buxton mascara, which is really freaking bomb. I actually have the full size, and it's amazing. And then I got a Hydro Color lip gloss from Note. I think that's how you say their name. And all of this is going on a giveaway as well. I got a MAC lipstick, which I was so excited when I saw the MAC lipstick, but it's not in a shade that I would actually wear, so it's pointless for me to keep it. It's like a coral orangey shade, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's like a coral shade. I'm not really into this type of colors, so I'd rather give it back to you guys. I got 2 lip liners, one from Pixie. I already have this, and this is one from Pop Beauty, which I already have as well, so you know what that means. And we got 2, I don't know if I should open it. I don't want to open it because I want to send it like that, so I'm not going to keep this. These are 2 nail polish from Meg, I think it's called. I don't know the colors they're on. This is, we have a lovey-dovey, and we have something else that I cannot see, but it's like a nude and like a purpley color. Real cute. This going on a giveaway as well. Now I'm actually going to show you guys the pile that I will be keeping. I got a few sheet masks that I am so excited to be trying, because y'all know that I love sheet masks. So let me like put them all together just to kind of like show you, because there are actually a lot of them. From this brand, I think you say So. I'm butchering the name probably. I don't know how to say it right. I got 3 sheet masks. I got a skin gel mask, a charcoal mask, and a bubble mask. You guys know that I love masks, so for sure I will be trying this on. A mask from Lancome. I am so excited about this. I have actually seen a lot of like influencers use this mask and they swear by it, so I'm really excited to be trying this mask. I actually also got from the Creme Shop. I got this one. I've used like the Creme Shop mask before, so I know that they're pretty good, so I'm excited about this. I got this mask from the same brand, So I or something like that. It's like a panda, it's like an animated kind of mask. They're really fun, and it's a brightening mask, which I really need right now. Then I got like this shampoo and conditioner sample. I don't really use this type of things, like honestly, but yeah. There's another mask that I got. This is from Freeman. It is like a peel off mask. I love peel off masks, just it's like satisfying to me. So yeah, like I said, I got a lot of like sheet masks and masks in general. I'm excited. From the Balm Cosmetics, I got this Getaway Trio. It's like a, I think it's like a blush trio. Real cute. Love it. It's so beautiful. Because I don't have a lot of products from the Balm Cosmetics. I only have like the highlighter, the Mary Lou. So I'm excited to be trying this out. We got a brush from Moda. It's a contour brush. Really needed this, so excited to try this. It will be like my first time trying this brand, period. Yeah, so I'm excited. You guys, I forgot more masks. There's more masks in here. There is from the same brand, the So A or whatever. The thing is that I got a separate goodie bag from them, like an influencer bag. So that's why I think I have a lot of like more goodies. There is a sleeping mask, which I'm probably wearing tonight. And then there is this black charcoal peel off mask, which comes in a bottle. I got some lashes from Eylure. I love these lashes. I wear them all the time. Not this ones in particular, but I mean like the brand in general. They're super bomb, and I'm really excited to be trying this ones out. We have a little sample mask from Purelisse. This is the Mud Mask and Exfoliant. We have a lip mask from the same brand, yeah, that one. And yeah, I got a lot of stuff from that brand. Literally, I feel like half of my stuff is from there. I have a lipstick from Dirty Little Secret. It is in the shade Vampy. It's like a purple, just like it says. It's like a vampy purple color. Let me show you. Come on, focus. There you go. So it's a beautiful color. I just don't know how I will apply on my lips. I just hope it's not super drying. Oh, it's a lip gloss, so it's not drying. Sorry. Never mind. I got a little sample of the Hungarian water essence from Believe. I love Believe like beauty products, so I was super excited to actually like meet the PR people from them, and they were super nice. So, you know, I hope I get to do something with them soon. But yeah, I'm really excited to be trying this out. I got this lipstick from IBY Beauty. It is in the shade Flirt. It's like a nude shade. I love nudes, you guys know that. And let me show you guys in the back of my hand. Gorgeous. It's like a pink nude. There you go. It's so beautiful. I'm loving it. I got a lip liner from Larizzi. It is in the color Bow. It will go so great with this one right here, just, you know, because I like to use like a darker lip liner and then a nude lip. But this is it right here. There's another lipstick from Cocky Professionals. It is in the shade Blow a Kiss. It's like a pink mauve. Oh, it's nice. And the formula, it feels so creamy, really beautiful. We have another lipstick. This is from Essence. I love their lipstick. This is just like a nude. It's actually more pink than nude. Me with some purple undertone right here. Sorry for my swatches, you guys. You know, I'm just trying to show you guys a little bit. There you go. Right here. This is the color. It's really pretty. We have some more Marc Anthony True Professional Hydrating Coconut Oil and Shea Moisture. This is for the hair. We got some Pure Primer Mini. We got more Fat Boy Hair Beauty mini products. We got some Marc Anthony True Professional Grow Long Super Fast Miracle Treatment. This is for the hair. We got some more hair minis. This is from Biogio. I never know how to say that brand, but that, yeah, is a blow dry perfection and heat protectant cream. So pretty much like a leave-in type of thing. We have some Bioderma. What is this? Matte control. Oh, this is like a shine control. We have some Cocky Professional nail polish. This is a nice color. We have some Eva. I don't know how to say this, but this is a primer. Is this a hair primer? Yeah, this is a hair primer. It's a little spray, you know. Good. We got some Derma E cleansing oil. We got some wipes from Pacifica. And last but not least, I got 2 palettes. This was not in the goodie bag. This was a gift from the brand to me. It is from IBY Beauty. I'm going to show you guys the palettes because I actually opened it up and they are beautiful. This is, it's like a holographic purple with the holographic letters, and then you open it up and you got these gorgeous colors. I mean, can we appreciate that? This is so beautiful. I am so excited to play with this. I'm so excited about this color right here. I'm excited about this color. No, wait, this color right over here. I'm just excited in general. It's a beautiful, beautiful range of colors. We got some shimmers and some mattes. So keep an eye out because we got a tutorial coming with these palettes. Then we got this one. This is the Desert Vibes. I mean, I can imagine just oranges and browns and that type of colors. Let's open it up and check it out. So beautiful. Packaging is just like so cool. Yes, look at that. So beautiful. And I love that they have the names like right under. I appreciate when a palette does that. They have the names. It's like it makes my life so much easier to actually like talk to you guys and tell you like the names. I am loving these palettes. I mean, I just gotta put them both like side by side one more time. Like, oh my god. So exciting. So beautiful. this is it, you guys. This is all the goodies that I got from Gen Beauty this year. Like I said, a lot of other influencers complained about not getting enough products, or all the goodie bags were different because the people they had working for them were stealing their stuff from the goodie bags from us, pretty much. But to me, I do care, obviously, because we did pay the money to get into the event. But my main point to going to this event was to connect with brands and to meet other influencers, not so much for the goodie bag. Thank God I do have a lot of makeup. I don't really need any more, but it's always nice to, you know, get new makeup for us to review or try it out and be able to tell you guys. But yeah, I think like it depends on what you go for to the event. Like my main point, like I said, was to connect. It wasn't so much the free makeup, so I enjoyed it. I went only one day. I didn't have to go the next day. That's another thing. I feel like for what I wanted to do, it was I did it in one day, and I didn't need to come back the next day because the same brands were going to be there. I feel like they had a really big space this year. From what I heard, it was my first year attending, so from what I've heard before, the space was very small. So now they had a really big place. I feel like there should have been more brands included, or maybe I don't know how it goes, the process of them inviting brands or brands going to this event. But I feel like maybe hopefully by next year they have more brands. But yeah, it was pretty smooth, you know. I didn't really make lots of lines. I made a line just to buy one thing pretty much, and other than that, it was good, and I enjoyed it, and I had fun. And yeah, maybe I will go next year, depending. It will have to depend. We'll see. But yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoy just, you know, seeing what I got in this goodie bag. If you guys like this type of videos for me to like unbox on camera, just let me know and I can get that done for you guys. Other than that, thank you guys so much for tuning in on today's video. I hope to see you guys soon. Make sure that you guys follow me on my social media right over here. Make sure that you guys subscribe down below, hit the little bell so that you guys are reminded when I post the video. And yeah guys, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.